will discuss function. The definition of function is written in the book. I will explain it later on. First, I am telling that there are four types of function: one to one, many to one, into, onto. This one to one function is injective function also. It is called injective function, and onto function it is called surjective function. Now, one to one function, let's say there are two sets A and B. In this function, every element of A is related to every element of one element of A is related to one element of B. See here, like this it is related. So one to one, one element of set A is related to one element of set B. This is one to one. But many to one, you see, let's say this is A set and this is B set. Here let's say three elements are there, and here you see that many to one. From the name you can understand more than one element. There are more than one element which is connected to one element of this set. Set A, set B. Set A, see here two elements are connected with one element of set B. Another element is connected with another element. Now see, in this many to one function, see many to one. In this case, in the set B, there may be extra element or may not be. Both the cases, it will be many to one element, many to one function. But you see, into function, it is telling that there are two sets A and B. There are two sets A and B. Here, in this B set, there will be no extra element. This is into function. No extra element in the set B. That means in the set B, every element is having one pre-image. This is called pre-image. This point is called the image of this point, and this point or this point is called the pre-image of this point. Now, what is onto function? Onto function. Oh, here, sorry, here I did one mistake. Here, one extra element will be there. Into function, one or many extra element will be there. But onto function, there will be no extra element. Onto function, you see, here A and B, there will be no extra element. Let's say this element is connected with this. This is connected with this. This element is connected with this. No extra element should be there in the set B. Here, into function, at the set B, there should be extra element. Now see, this one may be many to one also. Maybe one to one and maybe many to one. This way also, this can be, but no extra element, no extra image of, no extra point in the set B. Now I am telling what is function. Function is denoted by fx, where y is equal to fx. That means one element in the set A is related with one element in the set B with the relation y is equal to fx. With this relation, it is related. If I give one example, let's say y is equal to fx is equal to 3x. If I write, this is the relation. That means here A set element is x, B set elements are y. So let's say A set one element is 1 I am considering. So if you put 1, so 3 into 1, that is equal to 3. That means this 1 is related to 3. With what relation? This relation. This is called function. That is why in the beginning I did not give the definition of function.